What's going on, everybody? This is Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what you need to do if your PlayStation 4 will not turn on. So what you're going to want to do if your PlayStation 4 is not turning on, or there's an error and you're constantly losing power, the first thing you're going to want to do is to press this controller button right here, go down to power, and then you can restart your PlayStation 4 if you're having trouble keeping power. I would also recommend checking and making sure your HDMI connection is secure on the back of your monitor. And then, if you're losing power, you're constantly losing display, I would recommend going and checking the power cord from your power outlet to your PlayStation. There may be a loose connection there and it might be going in and out. So it might be best to get a new a power cable. You might have to order that for your PlayStation, or try a new outlet to plug in your power cord. So that's what I would do. And to recap, so if your display is constantly going on the PlayStation 4, check your HDMI port, make sure that's okay and you're plugged in and good to go. And then if your power keeps unexpectedly shutting off and it's not something where your display is messing up, I would recommend unplugging your power cord on your PlayStation 4, replugging it in, checking that out, making sure you have a good connection. And then it might be an outlet issue, so try using a different outlet. And if all else fails, I'd recommend getting a new power cord. And so those are the steps I would take. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.